There we go. That'll do. Okay, now time to hit play. Everybody getting down low. Go low to the floor. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, rolling. Okay, let's undo everything I did there just now. Whew. Ara ara. Ara ara. More like hurrah, hurrah! Say something but it's ASMR. Oh shit. Time delta. Time delta. Wait, or should I be like even closer and just like whisper it or something? Time delta. Time delta. Lamel, that was way better than I expected. Really? I don't know what you expected. I'm fucking crying. I don't know what you expected. I don't even know how I sounded either. I wasn't listening to myself. I want a fully animated Ozzy running around on the screen by sundown. You have too high expectations for someone like me. Then again, I kind of set those expectations for myself. Fuck! Look, it's a fully animated Ozzy running around on the screen. Your life is an endless runner, forever trapped, and forever trapped in a ceaseless suffering. Every certain number of obstacles, it starts saying something new, like, your life is an endless runner. There is no hope for you here. There are only obstacles in your way. Nothing but problems exist. And only you yet remain. Damn it, I hit it. Okay, replay. Okay. Forever entrapped within the endless runner, he is perpetually running, regardless of stamina, for stamina does not exist in this world. The rate of movement is only constant, and there is no escaping it. Ah! It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life alive. Oh, whoa! Just a whoa! Just a whoa out of nowhere. I have a surprise for you guys before I go real quick. Let's see here.